Sometimes you find yourself in that annoying situation where you want to transfer files between your phone and your PC, and then you realize that you've forgotten your USB cable. This is why you need to have various ways to do this routine task, like transferring files between your devices. And today I'm not going to go over a bunch of softwares. I'm just going to show you one that has worked well for me over the years. Let's dive right into it. So it's a software or a piece of tool called Fem. Now, if you go to the URL to the website fem.io, you get to this page and it's simple. They just tell you what the product does. It's blazing fast, unlimited file transfers, battle tested security. We believe this until something goes wrong, but they claim that it's battle tested. So all your devices are covered. You can transfer files between your phone and your PC and a PC, all round file transfer. And then there's Wi-Fi direct, resumable file transfer, works offline, and you can chat, you can send text through this. And there's also a web app. So you can use this without having to if you don't want to download the software and install it on your PC, you can just use the web version. And then for the platforms that it runs on, you have all of your major platforms. Depending on which one you run, you have to download two of the softwares, one on your phone and another on your PC. So I have an Android and a Windows PC. So right now I have them already downloaded and installed. I've been using this for quite a while. So this is the software. This is what it looks like, really clean and simple. And this is also what it looks like on my phone. So once you have this opened, all you need to do is to make sure that your devices, your phone and your PC or whatever devices you're transferring between are on the same Wi-Fi connection. I have them connected right now, and that's the reason why you can see it says connected on both devices. And once you have that done, you can now start transferring files. If it's from your phone to your PC, navigate and then select whatever files, video, audio, whatever thing you want to transfer, and then just select them and send. On your PC, you can just drag and drop in files. I have two test files that I want to send just to show you how fast this thing can be. One is 16 megs, the other is close to 2 gigs, 1.9 gig. I'm just going to drag in this one, drag and drop, select the name. Because it's the free version, you have to deal with ads, but once you drag that in, it's already transferred. It took just about a few seconds for the 16 megabytes or 17 megabytes of file to transfer. Pretty fast. Let's see how it does for maybe a larger file that is up to a gig. Drag and drop, select the name again, and it starts to transfer. I am not going to fast forward this. I want you to watch this in real time. You can fast forward, but I just want you to see for sure how fast this thing is. They claim that it's very fast, and I am doing a countdown right now. And it's done. So you can see that this took less than a minute for a 2 gig file. That's pretty decent. So I've used this to transfer files that are like 100 gig, and I don't have to wait for too long. You know, it really is faster than most other file transfer softwares that I've used. So this is how to do that, guys. This is something you definitely want to have, even if you think you don't need it. It's just an option. You know, sometimes you might be traveling and forget some of your cables or something, and you need to transfer files. This comes in handy, and that's the reason why I wanted to share this. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.